What is your favorite color? Let's find out with our favorite color song. Mine is purple. Mine is purple. So the song goes like this. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. My favorite color is purple, purple, purple. Now tell me, what is your? Wait for it. Is it blue? Is it yellow? Is it black? Is it red? Is it purple? Is it orange? Is it green? Is it brown? Is it pink? All the colors of the rainbow. Now tell me, which one, pretty please? Your favorite color is? Okay. Your favorite color is? Whoa. Your favorite color is? Thank you for sharing with me. Should we sing it again? Your favorite color is? Yeah, wow. Your favorite color is? Okay. Your favorite color is? Thank you for sharing with me. Okay. I hope you like the song. All right. Thank you for singing with me. Put your hands together for yourself. And well done. That's the letter F. We're going to color our letter F purple. F is for family. How many people are in your family? Let's color our letter F purple. But before that, let's take a look at the letter F. This is the big letter F, and that is the small letter F. F is for family. Let's color our letter F purple. Our letter F is purple. F is for family. I hope you enjoyed coloring the letter F with me. See you next time.